Okay, now we are going to upload the program for servo motors. Okay, so we are going to Sketchbook, ShadLab. Then we will go to robot hands, servo motors. I'm going to choose this program, servo motor with potentiometer. Okay, I'll open that one. This is the one. I'm going to connect my Arduino board. Here it is, and upload the code. Okay, so now the code is uploading. Done uploading. I'm going to just go there. Okay guys, so I have uploaded the software here. This is for the servo motors. I'm going to connect the power supply for my Arduino. So the plus 5 volt and the ground here. Okay, and I'm going to put the plus power here, and the minus power will be just like here. Okay, now for this code we are going to use two wires, one for the hand and the other one for the potentiometer. Okay, so I have the one for potentiometer, which will be in the A0. So this is the A0. Let me get close there. Look here, and I have the A0. This is the A0. Okay, so this is supposed to go to potentiometer. Here we go. Potentiometer is the pin here called PM. Can you see the PM? This is the PM. I'm going to install the PM here, just like that. Okay, and an output for the servo motor for the hand, it's number 9. Okay, this is number 8 and this is number 9. Okay, let me put it like that. Yeah, so this is number 9. Okay, I'm going to put number 9 on the hand number 1, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to run my robot. Great. So what I'm having here, you see the hand of the robot goes like in this position. That's why I told you we are not going to fix the hand yet. Okay, so I will put it in this position right now, and I will try to change the position of the hand using the potentiometer. So go here to the hole we'll call PM. Insert the screwdriver that you have and watch the hand. So when I put the screwdriver and move the value here, the hand of the robot will start moving. Let me give you a better angle, just like that. Okay, now I'll start to play with it. This is good. I need you to see this as well. Okay, so let me have this hand again, and I'm going to play with the hand. Okay, so this is at the top and this is at the bottom. Okay, so what we are going to do, just to make sure that the robot hand will not go and touch the ground like that. Okay, we are going to take the position for our potentiometer to the far left. I'm going to remove the hand right now, and I'm going to play with it up to the far end. Okay, so it will be like that. It will be counterclockwise. Okay, you can play with that like this. You will see that the gear is shifting here, just like that. So I'm moving the potentiometer the far left like this. So this will be the end of the line. So I'm going to put the hand just like that. Okay, just like that. It's not touching the ground. Okay, so this is the position that I need to put in my hand. And now by playing with the potentiometer, so I will get to the far end, just like that. Okay, so this is the position that I want. I'm going to go to the far end, and here we go. So I'm going to leave it like that, just like that, and then I'm going to fix the hand right in the shaft here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off my ShadLab and have this one out. Okay, so I know now the position of my servo motor and position of the hand that I need to install. Okay, so it will be just like that. Exactly, this is the end of the line. Okay, this is the end of the line. It will not touching the ground. Now I'm going to take out these screws. Let me just adjust the camera like that. And I need to take out these screws, 2 screws, and attach this one to the servo motor here. Okay, I will first take the bag. This is the bag of the servo motor. You will find that there are still 2 screws here. One is small and one is long, so I'm going to take the small screw out from the bag like that. Okay, I drop it, no problem. So this is the small screw. Okay, I need to put it just like here, and I'm going to take out these two screws here just like that. This one is out and another one. This is the second one. Okay, just like that. So this is out. Okay, I'm going to place it like that here in that position, just like that, in this position. So if I installed the hands, it will be like that. Okay, if you do remember, we have 2 sides, one big side and there is another small side. So I'm going to install the big side here. Okay, with this position like that. Okay, now I'm going to take the small screw and place it right here, and I'm going to fix that servo motor just like that. Okay, I'm good. Okay, and now I'm going to place the hand. Just make sure that you will find this more spiky here. The screw is supposed to be like that. It will be easier for you to install it here. So just make sure you put it in the 3rd hole, the same place, all the place like that. Okay, I'm going to secure this one now, and the other one is supposed to be like that. Yeah, I will secure it until the end. Yeah, just like that. So I'm having the hand of my robot is placed like this. Okay, I'm going to run it. Now I can play with the hand just like that. Okay, can you see this? So you will find this movement. This movement is totally fine, don't worry about it. This is how the servo motor works. Okay, you will find there is small movement here that will be totally fine, because what I'm doing here, I'm sending pulses from my Arduino to the servo motor, and I'm increasing and decreasing the pulses. Okay, so if I place the position of the potentiometer at this point, I will have the hand go down and up just like that. Okay, if it starts like shaking, that will be totally fine, don't worry. Just you need to put your hand here. That's something we can do in the code, so it will not be shaking. But anyway, this is how we are going to fix it, just like that. Okay, please do the same. I will do the same for the second hand. Okay guys, we are now going to install the second hand. Again, I need to pick up the screw from my second bag. So this is the bag. Okay, I'm going to take the small screw from it, this one, the one that I need to install the second hand. Okay, I put it here. Give me 1 minute, just like that. Okay, I'm going to turn the robot on the side. And so for the second hand, if you do remember, we place our wire on the first hand. This is the wire that is coming from the pin number 9 to the hand number 1 here. So I have hands here, number 1 and number 2. So I'm going to place it in number 2, just like that. And I will have my hand, it will be just like that, okay? So again, I'm going to play with the potentiometer for the hand position, just like that. Let me give it to you on the better angle, just like that, exactly. So here is the potentiometer, exactly like this. Can you see that? So I'm going to go down, go down, go down, go down. It's touching the ground now. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to play with the hands again. So in my case, I'm going to take the potentiometer also at the end of the counterclockwise. Sorry, this is with the clockwise position. When I put it at the end, I'm just going to place the hand like that, okay? So this is the position that I'm going to place the hand here. This is the top and this is the bottom, just like that. Okay, great. So this is my final position for the hand. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. Okay, and going to take out these small screws and place my small screw here in the middle. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, so taking this out. This is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, great. So now I'm going to place the shaft in this position, just like that. Okay, so our hand will be just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to place the small screw inside the shaft for the gear, just like that. Okay, okay, and now I'm going to attach the hand to the, let's place, just like that. This will be here and this will be here. Let me secure the screw until the end, and this one also has to be in till the end. Here we go. So I'm going now to run my boat like that. Okay, so now it's in the end of the line position. I'm going to raise the right hand just like this. Okay, so this is the hand of my robot. This is my first hand. I'm playing with the first hand like that. And if I want to play with the other hand, I need to get the wire, okay, from the second hand to the first hand like that. Just put it here. Exactly, just like that, okay? So now I'm playing with the hand, left hand. This is the left hand. And this is the hard hand. Just like that. So this movement is very normal in servo motor because I have the shaft here, I have the whole weight is in one side, okay? So if the hand started shaking, that's extremely normal in the servo motor mode. You need just to hold it with your hand or to wait a little bit. The point that if you want that shaking to go off, all you need to do to change the code, the frequency of the code. That's something we can do it later on, okay? But this is, if you reach to this point, you are doing great, okay? So here's the hands for my robot, just like that. Okay, here we go.